Hello and welcome back to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with Master Code Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to build on our knowledge of methods and object-oriented programming in Python. So let's get started. What we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and create a class, and we're going to create two methods in that class, and we're going to go ahead and have those two methods interact with each other. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and create a class, and we'll say my class like this. All right, camel case, and then we'll do. We're going to define a function or a method. It will be a method in this case, which technically is a function. So I'm just confusing myself. So we'll just call it a function, which is going to act as a method. All right. Let's go ahead and just say set value will be the name of our function. We're going to have self, that makes it the method, and we're just going to pass in data will be our argument for the data we're going to pass in. Then I'm just going to do self dot value is equal to data. All right. And then we're going to create another method here, and we're going to define that, and we're just going to have this, we'll call this display. This is going to display our content from up here, or our data from up here, and we'll just call self on that one. And we'll just say print self.value. All right. Hit return. So let's take a look at this. So let's go ahead and say, A is equal to my class, like that. All right, and then we're gonna say A dot set value. We'll pass in hello world, like that. All right. So basically, what we're doing is we're calling the class. And A is now representing self, all right? And then we're going to say basically set value, and then we're going to pass in hello world, which is the data, okay? So then we go ahead and do, let's do A display, display, oops, like that, and we get hello world. So what happened here? Basically, we call the class, we get the instance of the class, we pass A as self, set value, hello world, is now data, so we self.value is now data, alright? So value and data, or data is set to value, and then we're calling A on that. And then we say A display, so we say A, hey self, display, self.value, and we get hello world. Hope that's not too confusing. So let's go ahead and take a look at another example here. Let's go ahead and do B is equal to my class, like this, and we'll say B set value, and we're going to say hello YouTube. I'm very creative today. So now we're passing in right here. We get the class, all right? Now B is self, if you will, all right? It's representing the class, and then we set value up here. We're going to set the value for data to hello YouTube, all right? And now we got to just display it, and we just do b.display like this, and we get hello YouTube. Now I can do a.display and say hello world. So you notice there are two different objects here. B is hello YouTube and A is hello world. All right. So that gives us a lot of flexibility when we're working with object-oriented programming. So I can have a class and a bunch of methods in here to do a whole bunch of different stuff, and I can have variables out here that are representing the object of my class up here that are doing a lot of different things for me in my program. All right. So you're not just tied to, one variable or one object that a class can handle. You can create numerous ones. All right. So that's a little bit more building on our knowledge of object-oriented programming and methods and classes in Python. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.